Is the camera on slow motion?
Alex,
Yep.
you're gonna do this one, right?
Yep.
All right, coming through, hot stuff.
All right.
All right, you're gonna take the tongs. All right, and then we're.
I did not even get to do it.
Well, you were holding the tongs, Alex. You were kind of just holding one of them. Don't touch it.